Okay, so welcome back to my Access Tips and Tricks series. In this example, I'm going to go over how to make a report that you can dynamically sort and filter. If I want to filter active clients or not active clients, or I want to sort by any one of these fields. So it's not just a static report. You can sort by any of these fields. So that's what we're going to be doing. So I'm just going to close this. And let's start with a blank report here. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is I want to put in the fields that we're going to show. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so now that we have the fields in the form, now we have these headers. Let's actually make these a little bit bigger and a little bit bolder. We also have to make this checkbox here. So I'm going to put an event in there on click. An active only is a variable that I've declared already. So that's going to affect which fields are which records are shown. Now I also want to go to the client, double click. So basically LBL client. Actually, we have to set these, right? Okay, now what we're going to do now is we're going to go into the double click event. You can do this on single click if you want, but I'm just going to do double click so we don't accidentally sort where we don't want to. Okay, so we got LBL client, double click, and I'm going to do pretty much the same code for all of these. So basically what's going to happen is when you double click on the client header, if we're currently sorting, if we're not sorting already by last name, then we're going to do that. If we're already sorting by last name, then we're just going to change it to last name descending. So if you're sorting A to Z by last name, you double click, we'll be sorting Z to A. If you're sorting by another field, then the else part is going to click in anyway. We're going to set, so me dot, that's me, the me dot refers to the report. So report filter, we're going to set the filter of the report or the order by. These are properties of the report that we can use without sending in new queries. And you also have to set the filter on to true, otherwise that won't work. And again, if the active only is false, then we're not going to filter any of the records. We're going to clear that out, and we're going to set the filter on equal to false. Okay, so now we can pretty much copy this to any other fields that we want to search on. So I'm just going to put this on last contact and mentor. Oh, and for client. And then all I got to do is change field names. So for client, we're going to sort this by last name, even though the field contains the full name. The last name is coming in through our query, so that's okay. And the rest of this stays the same. And that should be it. Let's go ahead and test this out. So you see, client name, notice we're searching by, I'm not putting the last name field in the actual report, but we're sorting by last name. That's why it doesn't look like it's sorting until you look at the last name. You're like, it is sorting. We're not sorted by mentor at all, but if I double click, now you can see we can sort by any one of these, sign date. When you click it forward, double click again, search backward, active clients only, and that's how to create a dynamic report where you can sort by any field as long as you put the same code in for that field and just remember to change the field name.